For reference, this is how my natural eye color looks. It's more so towards dark brown. And I'm gonna show you guys how the color contacts look on my natural dark brown eyes. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna show you guys is called Unspoken Mirage Brown. This is one of their top sellers. As you guys know, I like color contacts with a limbal ring. Now this one has a soft limbal ring. These color contacts are really comfortable to wear. Now this shade also has this milky brown feathering towards the center. It looks really pretty in person. However, this one is not so much natural. If you're into makeup, this color is going to look really pretty with all of those eyeshadow combinations. So I highly recommend this shade, which is called Unspoken Mirage Brown. Okay, next up, this one is called Lemon Brown. This in particular has a very much prominent limbal ring, which means that the outer perimeter of the contact lens is very striking and prominent. By the looks of it, I can definitely see there is some sort of highlight towards the bottom. This color in particular is more towards olive brown, and it does not have any sort of feathering or pattern in the center. This lens does not look too much natural. However, it really pops up my eyes. If you're into cosplay, you can definitely make a use of it. The pupil hole is not really tight, so I can see clearly. If I get an opportunity, I'm gonna try more of their shades. Okay, so next up, I have got Iceberg Gray. This one is definitely not natural. It is very striking on my face and my complexion. So I have worn gray contacts in the past, which are more so subtle. Also, I can see up close in mirror, it has a hint of beige into that. So it's not like a cool toned gray. However, the feathering and the pattern is really pretty on this one as well. This is the only color I have picked which has no limbal ring. I will still describe it as more of like a milky gray, which is not leaning towards more cool or really warm. It's somewhere near neutral. This color in particular I may wear if around Halloween or some striking creative looks, but definitely not a natural color for me. And last, I have got Van Gogh Green. This one is perfect for me because it is on a dark green side. So I can pull this green off really easy because the color is really perfect for my warm brown complexion. So it pops my eyes beautifully. So it's leaning towards more of like a natural color contact. It does have hints of yellow green and the pattern is really beautiful without the limbal ring. And if My Eyes BB is gonna give me another opportunity, I would love to try more of their green colors. So on that note, this is it. These are the first impressions of the color contacts which I have picked from My Eyes BB. If you guys have liked any color from My Eyes BB and if you want to pick up some of the shades, they have given me a discount code which is MUA20 for 20% off, or you can use the code MuaSunny. If you're gonna buy 2 pairs, you're gonna get 3 for free. I'm gonna be linking down their website into the description with my discount codes and direct links. So let me know into the comments what you guys think about this particular brand, My Eyes BB. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and I'm gonna see you guys in my next one.